Right, so I'm heading off to DM Historics today. I'm going to find out what's going to happen with Austin Healey. But I'm a little bit early. They don't want me till 10, and yeah, I've done the school run, so I've got an hour to kill. I'm thinking cup of tea. Let's go and do that. Coffees, please. Oh yeah, donuts in a box. How posh does that look? Right, here we go. So that is our refreshed. I've had my filthy cheese and ham toasty sandwich from Costa. Lovely cup of Earl Grey. I am now, yeah, loaded up with donuts for the boys at their car place, because yeah, buttering people up is always the way to go before they start working on your car. Yeah, I'm heading off now. I'm really quite excited about this. I'm not sure what I'm more excited about, this, getting my little Austin Healey sorted out, or getting around to ordering my Super, well, I say getting around to ordering my Super 3, for Morgan to be ready for me to order my Super 3, because that is going to be hilarious as well. Anyway, so yeah, onwards and upwards. About. Right, okay, here we are. So DM Historics. Oh, scratchy beard. Yeah, so I'm here. I've arrived. Whoop whoop whoop. Right, okay, so let's go and yeah, let's go and video some stuff and find out what's going on. It's really weird, isn't it? Because I've only just started doing this whole video-y type thing, and I suppose it's something that, I don't know, maybe every YouTuber goes through, is that whole is there an embarrassment factor to walk around with your camera out? I suppose it's not if that's the way you make your living, but if it's just little old me messing around, then it makes you wonder. Anyway, in the car, I'm gonna get donuts, getting donuts. Oh, bag falling off my back. And getting donuts. Greasy donuts. Yeah, yum. Better bloody like them, I tell you. Cake king. I'm the cake king. Off my back. Farming thing going on here. Look. There's bales down there. Wait, no, camera, stop doing that. There you go. Yeah. There we go. Let's go around the corner. Look at that. I'll tell you what, it is really hard to say no to one of these. They are something really quite special. There are a lot of worst places in the world to be visiting today. Alistair, hello mate. So I'm told you don't like this stuff, and I'm still trying to get to grips with this camera, so it's all a bit crazy. Donuts.
I don't like this stuff. What's that? Are you not recording?
I'm recording now. Yeah, I can't even see you. The camera. I'm so shit at the camera. So
no, it's not. I don't like this stuff, but it's just I'm of that age where it's like I don't get it, and that's why I let my teenage sons deal with it.
Yeah.
So it's not a case I don't like it. I like gadgets.
So, but I'm filming a wall right now. You realise I don't, because I'm that bad at this.
No, I like
this gimbal thing.
Well, which
is a big. I'm really struggling with it because it's meant to be all easy to use, and I can't.
So my son, we got him one of these about a couple of years ago for his camera.
Yeah.
And it's a pucker motorised gimbal thing, and I have to say I tried it, and I'm like.
Well, this is so it's tracking you now, so this should follow you around.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, see. Yeah, it's crazy. I'll turn it off for now. I'll turn it off for a minute. We'll,
his camera.
Right, okay, so here we go. So Alistair has given me a little bit of a walk around the car, and yeah, we've been looking at the different things that we are going to be doing. So quite simply, everything. That's right, mate. I'm just. Right. Let's start this again. So here she is. So we are at DM Historics, or yeah, E-Type UK, depends on what you say. So this is the inside. of my little Austin Healey Sprite. So what we're going to do, we are going to sort out electronic ignition. We're going to change the alternator. We're going to sort out the carbs as well, and we're also going to adjust the cooling to make that better. We're going to change the wiring round, which is as old as me, 50 years plus. What other bits and pieces under here are we doing? Suspension is going to be sorted out, which is great. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's anything, but essentially everything in here is going to change apart from this bad boy here. So we'll actually have the engine doing everything it can be doing. After that, what have we got? So a little bit more cosmetically. So we're going to change the lights over to being LED. Definitely needs to be done. What else? So we have had some discussions around wheels. So we've got these lovely little mini lights sat on here at the moment, and nice new tyres from Boots tyres, not Boots the chemist. Going to change the wheels, probably slightly wider, still maintain the same profile because there's a certain amount of ride comfort and handling that comes with those. Yeah, just wider for a bit more grip. Apparently body's pretty sound, which is great because yeah, you don't really need to be in a position where the body isn't happy. What else have we got going on? So we will be losing. These seats need to go because these are yeah, just not right. So we're going to change those over to something pretty and nice. What else do we have that's going on? Going to add a little bit of LED lighting inside the car just to make it better for night driving inside. Obviously LEDs on the front and back. New exhaust as well. And we're going to get a rollover bar. And also we're going to run some safety equipment, so some safety bars down through the footwell and across and down the side of the doors, just in case. So that's what we're going to be doing with my little baby. Yeah. She's great. Hey, look at what she's sat on the side. Look. Yeah. It's looking good though. Certainly looking good. Just being in a big space that it could be sorted out in is a huge start. Yeah, I'm going to tell you what, I'm really quite excited. I love the passion of the guys that are down there, which means that yeah, you know, whatever they're working on is going to be something that they are yeah, that they're invested in. That's important, because there are some garages where, do you know what, they're just doing their job. And when I say just doing their job, it's a job. You know, I'll get that done, get the money for it, move on to the next one. But actually you feel like you've got some craftsmen actually doing craftsmansy type stuff. As much as anything else, Alistair, who's sorting the bits out for me, has really got an appreciation of the type of thing I'm trying to achieve. Yeah, not just in isolation, so it's not just about what I'm trying to do with the little Sprite, and he knows how I want it to fit within the cars that I've got. It's a weird looking bug. Which of course helps me greatly. Yeah, because he gets an essence and a feel of what I'm trying to achieve. It's weird looking. Oh fuck, I never record any of that. I don't know how much stuff I did record of that. Just been walking along, thinking I was recording and chatting away. Okay, so I'm done. I am done.